So the National Weather Service is forecasting the potential, at least a 25% chance, that the hottest temperature we've recorded reliably on Earth could happen on July 8th in Death Valley, California. Let's talk about it. Okay, so zoom out. Just about all of California is under excessive heat warnings, not just for a day or two, but for an extended period of time. We've got an intense area of high pressure that has moved in from the Pacific that will be driving temperatures as hot as 105 to 115 for several days. And because of that, the National Weather Service out of San Francisco said this: "This is a potentially historic and deadly heat event. The magnitude and longevity will likely rival anything seen in California in the last 18 years. And then they go on to say that heat is the #1 killer, and it is, and I want to stress in all caps, very likely that the statistic will be added to if preparations are not taken seriously." So attribution science can tell us a lot about how humans have impacted these excessive temperatures. It's called the Climate Shift Index, and in this specific case, we're at the top of the scale, meaning temperatures set to be experienced by Californians this week, even in early July, would have been virtually impossible without the high levels of carbon pollution that we have added to our atmosphere. Oh, and by the way, there's also the fire concern, especially ahead of the 4th of July celebrations, but the Thompson fire as of Wednesday had evacuated 13,000 residents, burning over 3,000 acres with not much of any containment. You can keep up with the Climate Shift Index and see how climate change is impacting your community, csi.climatecentral.org.